we can risk $10 to potentially make $47 or $50. So looking at a 1 for 6 risk to reward. 43 online out of 748. So we have a lot of members not active this morning. It has been doing a great job holding above this 45 EMA, now crossing over the 200 EMA. So now we should see a lot more upside as this begins to push higher. Currently up almost $15 now. Now what I did in this scenario is I moved my stop loss from down 10 cents per share to where I'd lose $10 to now break even. So now this is a risk-free trade. Good morning. Welcome back to another day. I'm Johnny Trades, entrepreneur, day trader, and YouTuber overall. Just a guy trying to make money on the internet and not have to work for anyone except for myself. So, welcome back. Another episode. We just wrapped up our live trading session with our LTE team. Here's some of my trade ideas from this morning. Been on for a little while now, since 8 o'clock really. Got some trade ideas here. We are in on Sound. We do have a position right now, 100 shares. We're down $3. But what I like about this is, we can risk $10 to potentially make $47 or $50. So looking at a 1 for 6 risk to reward at the moment. So we'll see what happens if we get it. If not, I'm okay with potentially losing $10, right? And that's what is so important about trading, and my style of trading is I know that if I put in a trade, I'm only risking $10. So in my head, I know I can handle a $10 loss if I'm wrong. I know right now, if I lose $10, it'd be okay. To potentially make $50, $60, maybe even more than that. But on this trade, I'm risking $10 to make $50, right? So if it breaks below this support level, then we'll get out, we'll lose $10. And that is going to set me up, because I'm focusing on my risk management and keeping a good stop. That way, again, it keeps emotion out of it. If you don't trade with a stop loss, you definitely need to, because you can go from, oh, I'm going to set a stop at 10 to, oh, I'm going to lower it to 20. Oh, okay, I'm down 20. Let's just wait. And it goes down, and now you're down 50. All right, well, I'm already down 50. Why not just hold? It's going to recover. And then you're down 100. And before you know it, when you could have cut your losses at $10, now you're down 100, and you're getting emotional. You're getting frustrated, and that's where a lot of beginner traders actually give up, or they get discouraged and they get upset, and they might even go all in. Well, I'm going to buy more right here at this level because I know it's going to recover. And then before you know it, now you're down 200, 300, maybe 500, and all of those gains you made over the last week or month or even years sometimes, you can lose in a single trade. Go back, look at your trades. Was there any time in your past trades where you actually didn't follow your trade plan and lost more money than what you wanted to lose? Because I know I could lose $10 right now, and I'm okay with that. Is there times in the past where you lost more than what you're okay with? That is big for your trading to know. So, understand how much you're risking, and don't worry so much about how much you can make. Focus on how much you're risking, how much you can lose. If I lost 5 trades this week, or all 5 days were red, which is very rare, but if I was red 5 days in a row this week, I know I could lose $50 because I'm risking $10 a day. Not bad. Now, if I'm risking $20 a day, I know if I have 5 red days, I could lose $100 for the week. and I'm okay with that. What's your number that you're okay with losing? And then put it in, and that's where you're gonna go. Now I can make that back in a single trade, right? If I have a good trade and I make $50 and I risk 10, that's a 1 for 5 risk to reward, which means I'd have another 5 days to risk $10 because I made 50. So I'll keep you guys updated on this trade and as the day goes on. And if you ever want to watch me trade live or watch any of my past live streams, then simply click the first link in the description. You'll get access to our Learn to Earn Discord. It is 100% free for the first 1,000 members, but we just crossed over 800 members, so there's only 200 free spots left. And if you get in now, you'll never be charged. But if you wait and we cross over that 1,000 member mark, you may have to pay to watch future live streams. So get in now while it's still free. All right, so trade update. We are currently up $6.77. It is above this 45 EMA of this blue line, so it is starting to trail up, which is great. We bought at a really good area, and now we're watching it begin to go up for SoundHound. I am alerting my team in our Discord section, like I always do, giving them play-by-play updates every so often. And there is 43 people online right now, which is amazing. 43 online out of 748. So we have a lot of members not active this morning. It is Monday though, so of course people are back to work, people are back to school, things like that. And also I just uploaded a video on stop losses and how stop losses are actually going to be your best friend when trading. So definitely check out that. So we got 2 reels already uploaded. Definitely check out my Instagram if you haven't already. Follow me there and see those reels. A lot of good value and a lot of good insight in Instagram, just like in these videos. So now we're just gonna let this trade play out. I have my stop loss set, I have my take profit set, and I did everything I need to do. Now it's all just a matter of time. So I'm gonna finish up my cup of coffee, work on maybe 1 more reel. I've been trying to do 3 reels on Instagram every single day, and then go for my walk, eventually eat some lunch. It is currently 9:17 in the morning. So, I mean, it's still very early. I don't eat lunch until around 11 or 12. I do have a donut waiting for me to eat. A nice, fresh, delicious, sour cream, old-fashioned donuts. And yeah, so I'll keep you posted on the trade and if I do anything else today. All right, I just got back from my walk and it is freaking hot outside, but I wanted to show you this trade now. We are in SoundHound. We're currently up $12, almost, well, now we're up $13. It has been doing a great job holding above this 45 EMA, now crossing over the 200 EMA. So now we should see a lot more upside as this begins to push higher. Currently up almost $15 now. Now what I did in this scenario is I moved my stop loss from down 10 cents per share to where I'd lose $10 to now break even. So now this is a risk-free trade, meaning I can't lose any money on this trade now. If it goes all the way back down to my entry price of $7.47, then I lose $0. So that is a risk-free trade, and this is something that I like to practice and do when I'm in these type of trades. You start with a 10-cent stop loss to where I could potentially lose $10, to then once you're up a certain amount and this begins to push higher than your entry price, we're now in a break-even trade. So if this were to come all the way back down to my entry level, I wouldn't lose any money. This is a risk-free, zero loss trade. And we're currently up $15, almost $16, which is pretty good. Now, as it begins to go higher, I could actually increase my stop loss and keep pushing it up to where now I'm in a profit trade, to where I'm not even gonna lose money. I'm not even going to break even. It's just a matter of how much money I'm going to lock in. I could lock in $10, $15, $20, or even $40, which is where my take profit actually is going to be on the day. So quick little update, and I'll keep you posted as the day goes on. All right. So, hey, I got stopped out at 758. It is now selling off below that entry, which means we are going to be going into a more bearish trend now. It could not hold above the 200-day moving average, and that's okay. Locked in $10.23. Not a huge win, but I didn't take a loss, and honestly, that is more of a win than anything. I was risking $10, made $10. That was a 1-for-1 risk to reward, but at the same time, you know, I could have probably came down maybe 2 or 3 cents from that moving average to give it more time to play out. But either way, not bad. Buying at 747, selling at 758. So, and let's see, it might begin to push higher. I could always get back in on another trade and potentially make more money. All right, I wanted to show you this donut, sour cream. It's 11 o'clock. Make a wish. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but I really think they meant a donut. I'm gonna eat this, get a 30-minute workout in, and have my protein shake and banana, and continue on with the day. You know, the same way we do one thing is the same way we do everything. Whether we make money or lose money, whether we're having a good day or a bad day, whether we got a donut or no donut, we make sure to do our daily habits so that way it'll catapult us to where we want to be. Create success through discipline. That's it. Alright, so update on the sound trade. Now, I already logged in a profit, but I thought, hey, if my alerts get hit, I'll get into another trade. And good thing, you know, we didn't, because this is where we bought, this is where we sold, and it actually flatlined for the rest of the day. It never got back up to even where I sold at. So, did a great job with our one trade today. And sometimes you win big, sometimes you win small, sometimes you lose money. And today was a small win, green day. Happy about that.